Kalakwachero, Kalakwachera, samahan nyo kami para sa birthday celebration ng baby Rico ko. Ayan, arrive in Antwerp for dinner. Di-dinner muna kami before we go to the Christmas market here in Antwerp. Kain muna. Here we will stay for a night in Antwerp. And it's a good location actually. But we will eat first and then after we're going out. At pahinga muna after kumain. It's really a nice place to stay. Ayan, nakapagpahinga na. Kaya pupunta na kami sa Christmas market. But we need to walk. We will walk through the station of Antwerp. Their train station. And we will have a look. It's beautiful. Look, kita mo ang taas ng tore ng station. Ang ganda ng station nila. Yes, nakaka-amaze. At look, may malaking Ferris wheel dito sa labas. Ay, nakakatuwa naman. At halik kayo sa loob ng station, makikita nyo, this really very old station. Inside yung mga wall niya, it's super beautiful. I like this station actually in Antwerp and it's a big station. Ayan, picture muna tayo dito sa loob. And we are lucky talaga at merong Ferris wheel at mga pailaw sa labas ng Antwerp Station. So at least nag-enjoy din si Mother Dear.
Do they have olive?
Look, para siyang may maliit na peryaan dito or maliit din na Christmas bazaar. Maybe it's a part of Christmas bazaar, but Christmas is over. Natapos ata to earlier because it's now December 27, so tapos na ang Christmas. Ay ma, dito pala yung kamag-anak natin. Okay, papicture muna kayo sa kamag-anak natin. After, ayan, diretso tuloy ang lakad or we're gonna walk papunta sa Antwerp Christmas Bazaar. Look, I think we're almost there. Meron na naman ditong isang maliit na, ito ata yung beginning ng Christmas Bazaar kasi malaki siya. Malawak yung Christmas Bazaar kaya malayo pa lang nagbigin na rin siya. So it's all over like Antwerp City Center. So ayan, neto na tayo sa mismong center and dito yung malaking Christmas Bazaar. Picture ulit tayo. This is your second time here, Ricky. But we need to go home soon kasi sasalubungin ang birthday ni Baby Rico namin. Happy birthday, Baby Rico. Actually, na-late kami ng few minutes kaya sila nag-happy birthday na by the stairs kasi nag-car kami but sila naglakad pero nauna pa rin sila. fish. Happy 24th birthday, my baby Rico. Love you. We love you. The next morning, ayan, ang ganda talaga ng view namin dito. Nakita nyo, just here opposite side of the train station in Antwerp.
Also include your mom.
Ayun. Dapat pagkasama.
Kaya pwede kang manood ng train ng mga dumarating. Ayan, may padating na train. At ang ganda ng lugar ng place. Look, tingnan nyo. Kunan natin ang picture.
Saan daw iiwanan na susi?
The next day, of course, ayan, ready to go. We're going to Brussels. Kasi birthday ni Rico. So we will celebrate at maglalakwatsa kami. Come and join us. Samahan nyo kami. But ayan, picture muna bago tayo lumabas. Ayan. Dito meron makapagpa-picture yan. Background nyo yung mga Jews. They are here. They have a lot of Jews here, especially in Antwerp.
Kasama yung lalaki eh.
Now we're on the way to Brussels.
Yan, si Wela.
Here we are in Brussels. Welcome to Brussels, baby. Wela ko. At ayan si Kuya Ricky at my mother. The first time in Brussels. So here we are. Welcome to Brussels.
2, 3.
Kaya we show them the square, the popular square in Brussels. At syempre, we pass by the Manikipis at si Rico nasa loob ng restaurant, pub dito sa tapat ng Manikipis at naki-CR. Hinahanap namin sila. So ayan, so may drinks na si Rico for his birthday. And then after, ayan, picture lang dito kay Manikipis.
You can go there. You can go there. We have also.
And then walk back to the square at pupunta kami sa kay Manikipis. But before that, ayan, nakapasbay kami ng Belgian waffle. Of course, visiting Belgium is not complete without Belgian waffle. So ayan, pinatikim namin ang Belgian waffle. Happy birthday, baby Rico. Happy birthday. Yummy Belgian waffle sa birthday ni baby Rico ko. And then after, here we are in Manikipis, ang asawa ni Manikipis. So picture tayo dito.
Si Lola. Yan, game. 1, 2, 3.
after Nikipis, bumaba kami dito sa beautiful pub. Look, ang dingding niya, ang wall, it's beer bottles, at ang ceiling niya ay mga tray. Yes, galing, ang ganda talaga. So they have few drinks, just one drink, one round, because later where we'll go to Aken, we will. Ayan na, tapos na. Ang Brussels natin, ang exploring Brussels for Rico's birthday. We're now going for a dinner in Aachen, Germany. Dito namin celebrate ang birthday ni Baby Rico sa best restaurant, Schnitzel Bar here in Aachen. Super sarap siya at really good fries at ang screams niya. This is the best, 1 kilo of screams, super yummy. And actually this last year dito dapat yon, pero hindi natuloy, kaya dito na kami ngayon this year para matikman ng mga anak ko yung super yummy na screams nila dito. At yan, notice si Baby Rica, so she need to stand in the corner. Pinarusahan siya. Ayan, enjoy tayo and picture and later food is coming. Ayan na ang food. Of course, schnitzel sila. They all schnitzel, different kind of schnitzel. Si Riwela, si Rika, and Ronald. But si Rico ay unlimited burger. At si Mark din ay schnitzel. And of course, me, my mom, and Ricky, spare ribs, and yung screams kasi hindi ko kayang mag-isa. Kaya happy, share lang kami. Nice, only big burger si Rico kasi birthday celebrant siya. So, naiiba ang kanya.
2, 3. Ha? 1, 2, 3. Bago na si Mommy.
That's our birthday boy. Happy 24th birthday, my baby Rico. I love you.
Divide mo sa 8.
Tapos na kaming lahat kumain. Nakapag-blow na ng candle. Si Baby Rico hindi pa tapos kumain kasi only yung burger niya, kaya sinusulit niya talaga. Ayan, uwian na, natapos din. And then we're going to our hotel just here in Aachen also. So we will stay in Aachen Hotel. Dito kami sa hotel in Aachen matutulog for a night, and then after tomorrow, we're going around Aachen.
You see the chart?
Ayan, nag-ikot-ikot muna kami dito sa Aachen bago umuwi to show my mother dear, Wella and Ricky. Aachen here in Germany. Aachen ka, Germany. After Aachen, we need to go kasi we will go to the thermal bath naman. But actually, the thermal bath in Aachen is so full, kaya sa Netherlands na lang kami nagpapunta. And after, syempre, after thermal, we went to, nagutom uli, kaya kumain na naman kami. That was it. Thank you, Lord, na iraos ang 24th birthday ni Baby Rico ko with my mom, Wella, Ricky. Super enjoy. Thank you. Maraming salamat. Happy birthday, Rico.